Butter chicken is one of the most popular chicken dishes in India, and today we're going to make a very classic restaurant style butter chicken. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've taken 200 grams of boneless chicken pieces. First I'm going to marinate the chicken with a few ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon of pound ginger and garlic, 2 teaspoons of hung curd, the juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix everything together. Marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. Take a pan, add a little oil, about 1 tablespoon. To this I'm going to add the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken for 10 minutes and keep them aside. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pound ginger garlic, add 3 large tomatoes roughly chopped, next add 3 Kashmiri red chilies, mix it well. Next I'm going to add all the spice powders. First add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, pour 2 tablespoons of water. Cook till the raw smell goes and the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy, I'm going to add about 10 cashews. Saute for about 5 minutes. The masala is cooked now. Cool the mixture. Add the cool mixture to the mixture jar. Add quarter cup of water. Grind it to a nice fine masala paste. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Keep the flame on low. To this I'm going to add the ground masala paste. You can see it's nice and fine. If your masala is a little coarse, make sure you pass it through a sieve to get a nice fine paste. Mine is nice and smooth, so I have not strained the masala. I've added about half cup of water to the mixer jar. I'm just pouring that. After about 2-3 minutes, add the fried chicken pieces. Mix it well. To this I'm adding quarter cup of fresh cream. Mix it in. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The butter chicken masala is done. Turn off the stove. Add some crushed kasuri methi. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it. Here is this delicious chicken butter masala that you can serve immediately with some nice hot roti or naan. So there you go. Here is this delicious butter chicken that you can enjoy with roti, naan or with pulao. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.